Hello and welcome to this installation guide and review of the EasyFit case compatible glass screen protector from Olixar. I'll be applying the S9 version of the protector today. However, if you have got the S9 Plus version, then fear not, as the protectors and their installation method are exactly the same, so the steps in this video will work for both. As with all screen protector installations, you'll need to start off by providing your phone's display with a thorough clean. You can do so by taking the provided wet wipe and giving your screen an initial once over before giving it another wipe with the microfiber cloth. With these simple steps complete, you can now position the EasyFit guide over your phone, matching the top section of the guide labelled up with the top section of your phone, as this will ensure you've got the correct orientation. Next, you'll want to turn your attention back to the cleaning of your screen, taking the dust removal sticker and giving your screen a final going over so as to remove any final pieces of trapped dust and dirt. With your screen cleaned, you'll now be ready to apply the protector itself. Simply remove the protective backing like so and then begin lowering the protector into place. Make sure to provide a firm amount of pressure around the top and bottom of the guide, as this will aid alignment as you bring the bottom and top of the protector into place. Then allow the bottom of the protector to be lowered onto the phone, before then providing a firm press down the sides, bottom and top of the protector. With the installation complete, you'll then be free to remove the installation guide and thus enjoy your newly protected phone. Once out of the installation guide, we do advise giving your phone another firm press around the edges so as to ensure that the protector is fully adhered. At this stage, we also recommend turning on Samsung's latest feature, designed specifically for screen protectors. Simply go to your settings, then advanced features, before scrolling to the bottom where you'll find the touch sensitive setting which you'll want to turn on. This will make using screen protectors even easier by making your phone more sensitive to light touches without taking away from the overall experience. With the EasyFit protector from Olixar applied to your Samsung Galaxy S9 or S9 Plus, you'll be well guarded against scratches and scrapes, while the protector's touch perfect responsiveness allows you to use your phone just as you did before, meaning that you can surf the net and play games without any limitations. What's more, the S9's beautiful display will remain crystal clear and super sharp thanks to the EasyFit's perfect clarity. Compatible with virtually every case on the market thanks to its unique case-friendly design, you can purchase this protector safe in the knowledge that it will work with your existing or desired case. In summary, the EasyFit case-compatible screen protector from Olixar represents a perfect way of protecting your precious S9 or S9 Plus without having to worry about complex installation processes and then whether it will work or not with your case, making it a top choice for me. If you would like to know more or even purchase this amazing protector, then I'll be leaving a link in the description below.